38 years later, time to register my product. What's up everyone, this is James White with Freakin' Reviews, bringing you as seen on TV product reviews, gadget reviews, and more. Now if you like what you see in this channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this. Today I've got something very special here. This is an unopened 1981 Ronco Egg Scrambler. Now I typically specialize in as seen on TV products, but not those that are 38 years old and still in the packaging. So this is going to be fun to open this one up. I had to go back and find the old commercial for this. It looks like this was advertised in as early as 1978. This one is from 1981, so I guess a later model than that. But this one is factory sealed, I found on eBay. These are originally sold for about $7.77, but it was a little more expensive on eBay for me. There were other brands advertising similar products at the same time. I think they were knockoffs of this one. But the Ronco brand is the one that really kind of began the whole as seen on TV industry. It even says as seen on TV right here, but that's before the famous as seen on TV logo came around in the 80s. But it does say as seen on TV back in 1981. So let's crack this one open and see how it really works. Now it's supposed to be able to scramble an egg in the shell in 5 seconds. Let's see if it really works right now. Here we go. Oh, it's so wrong opening this after all these years. Let's take a closer look at this box here. It's an inside the Shell Egg Scrambler. Automatically blends white and yolk in 5 seconds. Good old made in the USA, that's always a good thing. There was no Wish back in 1981, so they didn't ship this off to China. On this side we have some more instructions. It says it's automatic. No mess, no fuss, no dishes to wash, no runny egg whites. Looks like all you have to do is press the egg on the point, hold down for 5 seconds, and lift it off. Copyright 1981, baby. That's right. The 80s. Now let's open the box itself. Let's see how they prepared these packages in 1981. Oh, the tension mounts. We have 80s cardboard. 80s cardboard, everybody. 80s cardboard. This is it. Nicely packaged. Here are the instructions and a 1-year warranty card. Maybe I should send this in and see if I can get my warranty still. I don't even know if Ronco's still at this address. It says if it's defective, you can send it in for $5 and get a replacement. Here are the instructions. Oh, there's a battery. It takes 6 C-size batteries. Are you kidding me? Ah, 6 batteries. You're killing me, Ron Popeil. All right, well, let me see. Here we go. 6 C-size batteries. Apparently this comes off for the cleaning process, which I'll do later. And there's the point to it. I don't even know if I have 6 C batteries. Let me go find that out and come back. All right, got my 6 C batteries here. There we go. Whoa, that looks so high tech. 80s technology coming through in the clutch. Look at that. What do you guys think? Does that look high tech to you? I don't know, it's pretty low tech. I don't know why you need 6 C batteries. We have this diagram on the back how the batteries are supposed to be laid out. It's pretty clear, I think. We'll see if it works. All right, I believe the batteries are in the right configuration. We shall see. You know, they supposedly made everything better back in the day. Well, maybe not always. I think I'm gonna break it. All right, now I'm gonna grab an egg and test this bad boy out. So what you're supposed to do is place the egg on that pin and press down. And that's all you're supposed to do for 5 seconds. Yeah, we'll see about this. It's gonna take me more than 5 seconds to get through here, I think. Oh, come on now. Oh, it's through. It's through. Press down. Oh, what's happening? Wow. That got loud. I wasn't counting. That was at least 5 seconds. Whoa, it actually worked. It actually worked. No drippage either. By the way, I got some egg crackers coming up in a future review, but I'm not showing them right now. But I do have some egg crackers coming up. Right now I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. Oh, wow. Take a look at this. It actually worked. It actually worked. Let's try another one to show you how I'm seeing this. I'm afraid I'm gonna smash this thing into pieces. Okay, it's through. It's through. Now all you do is press down for 5 seconds. Whoa. Oh, that one didn't work as well. Maybe I didn't count long enough. Let's do one more. Maybe I get faster at this. Come on. There we go. I'll hold down a little bit longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give it a couple extra seconds there. All right. Let's try this now. That's pretty good. I want to say it actually works. All you have to do is run out and buy a time machine and go get one of these from 1981. Because it looks like it's working as Ron Popeil advertised. For my next test, I'm going to try scrambling an egg. First, I'm going to do the Ronco, and then I'm going to do just the old school way with a bowl and see what the difference is, if any. So let's try that out. First up, Ronco Egg Scrambler. There's certainly some getting used to doing this needle here. There it goes. They say 5 seconds. I think I can go a little longer. Just a little hole, nothing leaking out. Let's try it out. Oh, it looks nicely scrambled, I'll say that. There are the Ronco scrambled eggs. Came out like scrambled eggs. Let's try one the old school way. How outdated having a yolk in there. Ugh. Normally I add milk to mine, but I'm just leaving them as is this time. I think it was about 20 seconds. I think not too bad. All right, let's try this now. Here's the old school way scrambled eggs. Don't look too much different though. All right, here they are. Does one look better than the other to you? Do you know which was which? Which would you guess? Which is the Ronco and which one is using a whisk? Can you tell? Well, that is the Ronco and that is the whisk. Let me see if there's much of a taste difference between these two. It never won't be, but let me tell you anyways. Maybe there's a texture difference, who knows? Well, that was the Ronco. That was a pretty good. It tasted like a scrambled egg. Try this one. Well, I didn't notice any taste difference. Not that I really expect anything or not, but I'm kind of torn in my reaction because I'm actually pretty excited to have a 1981 product that I just opened for the first time actually work 38 years later, so that's kind of cool. But as far as I can't recommend this to you because you're not going to find these, but if I were to give a recommendation, I'd probably say, do you really need a whole separate device that takes 6 C batteries to save about 15 seconds scrambling an egg over a whisk? Probably not. But the fact that I found this and unboxed it after all these years later is so cool. I'm going to hold on to this. Kind of an as seen on TV relic. The fact that it worked after 38 years does say something about it, even though it is made of cheap plastic. But I just think it's kind of cool to check out a product that old that's never been opened before. I will say though that the Ronco Egg Scrambler does work. So I guess I just have one last thing to do as far as this review goes. Purchase was made by a man. Was purchase a regular purchase a gift for self or others? Well, I guess what's the difference between a regular purchase and for self? I'm just going to say other because it's for a review. Friend or relative? I guess you are all my friends, so this is for you guys. What calls your attention to the product? eBay, magazine ad, store display, friend or relative, TV. I did see it on the TV when I was a kid, so I'll just say TV. What kind of store was the item purchased? Other, I guess it was on eBay. Do you own any of the Ronco products? I don't think, actually I think I do. Yes, I do. I think the Kitchen Magician. Kitchen, my income. What? They're asking under 10,000, 10 to 24.99, 25 to 35. I guess I'll say over 35. Be balling here in 81. Education, grammar school, high school, college, advanced education, or other. Well, I have a master's degree, so there we go. Date of purchase, April 2019. I'll fill in the name and address. All right, tear that off. I got a Christmas stamp to go on there. Seems very appropriate because this is advertised a lot during the holidays. Go drop this in the mail and see what happens. Now, do I really think they're going to honor a warranty 38 years later? Probably not, but who knows? Maybe they'll contact me or maybe they'll come back to me, but I got to try at least anyways, right? 38 years later, time to register my product. Well, that one was pretty fun. Have you guys ever seen a product like this before? Or if you've seen any other vintage As Seen on TV products that I should try out, tell me what you think in the comments below. Please follow my social profiles for progress pictures, videos as I go, and please subscribe for more product reviews from me, James White, with Freakin' Reviews.